Hey friends, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I just have a little mini haul here. I know lots of you have heard of Tailored Expressions. They're nothing new to me. I've actually used them for years. In fact, back in the day, oh golly, I don't remember what year it was, but I was on a design team for them when they had card kits. So it was a hot minute ago. It's been a while. And then when they got rid of their card kit, I kind of transferred over and did a little bit of design work for them for a little while. But I think I stopped maybe 2015. So anyway, it's been a little bit. But they are different because they primarily are known for their red rubber stamps. So it's a little bit different than what I typically use. Nowadays, typically I am all about the see-through, clear stamps, photopolymer stamps because, I can see through them. But red rubber does typically stamp a little bit better. Most of the time they do give a good impression. That's why you'll often see background stamps that are red rubber, just simply because they have a tendency to stamp a little bit better. So red rubber is a little bit more expensive, but the reason for that is because it's just a different quality, and you do you pick what's right for you. I like both, so I can't say that one is necessarily better than the other for me. But I did go ahead and get a little order in. If you've seen any of their new stuff, they had this whole line of cat stuff that came out, and obviously I had to get some cat stuff. You're probably not going to see Max and Miles today because they are napping. They were like little, oh my gosh. They were all over the place this morning, we'll just say that. So let's go ahead and dive in to what it is we have. Oh, it's a ton of stuff. And so they had a, it's cute, a little note. Oh, cute, a little gift. Look at this, so a gift for you. And they always did this. Like, I have a whole line of their little thank yous they did. Every month they'd have a new die. I don't know if they still do that because, like I said, it's been a while. Oh, it's a paw print. A little paw print die. That is awesome. I'll definitely use that on some cards. How cute. I like that it comes in a little glassine bag. So yeah, all right. Very nice. Okay, so clearly all the things I got are animal cat related. And I did it because, like I said, they were having like some stuff going on. Let's start with this one. We have the silhouette cats. This is just little dies. So there's 3 little silhouettes. That's really, really cool. Love those. I actually, believe it or not, don't have anything like that, so love that. Right. Oh, I think this must have come free. Okay, I'll show that at the end. Because I didn't order that, but I like that. Okay. And that came, there was a lot. They were doing a lot. If you spent a certain amount, which I clearly did, yeah. Oh, I got this one. This one's been out for a little while. This one's If Cats Could Talk. It's a stamp and die combo, obviously. Stamp and your little die. So these are great because you can put the little face on there. And I was never very great at lining it up, so I would probably have to use some sort of see-through thing to stamp it and then kind of see if I could get it better. But you're one cool cat just because you're a perfect friend, scaredy cat. I purred once, it was awful. Need coffee, write meow, smile, purr more, hiss less. Oh, good advice. But that's cute because they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little faces and a little mouse. We also have a little spider, and then he's thinking of a fish. That's cute. So, darling, and that's the size of it. And they come on their own little boards, so that's always nice too. So we've got that. Then I got this one. This is called Whiskers. It's a set of 6 stamps. So we've got the paws that go all the way around. Angels don't always have wings. Sometimes they have whiskers. When all else fails, hug the cat. I do. Thankfully mine don't seem to mind just yet. Cats leave paw prints on our hearts. Cats are my favorite people. There's a 100% chance I'd rather be home with my cat. That's sweet. But I liked that. I thought that was great sentiments. So, speaking of sentiments, they have the, you've seen the simple strips. I know you have because Jennifer McGuire did a whole thing on these. And so Tailored Expressions came out with this a while back. They've got your, this is the Simple Strips Meow. So it's one solid stamp. And here is the die that goes with it. And basically you would stamp it and then you'd line your die up with these little marks that are going to come through, and it will cut out all of the sentiments all at once, which is fabulous. So then you've got, well, I guess let's see how many are on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 sentiments all in one shot. So stamp once, cut it out, and there you go. And they actually have quite a few more. If you haven't seen it, I know they've got, I think they have Happy Birthday. They've got several other kinds. I think they had one for Christmas, but I can link those down below. This says, Happy Birthday to you. It's your day. Let's potty. Cats welcome, people tolerated. Just one cat short of crazy. You had me at Meow with heartfelt sympathy. You are perfect. I do whatever I want. Love from us and the cats. Congrats, heard the good mews. Cat hair, don't care. You're the cat's Meow. Life is better with a cat. I love you, Meow, and forever. All you need is love and a cat for the loss of your cat. From one cat mom to another. And life without cats? I don't think so. So I just thought that's fabulous. And so you'll definitely see me using these. Now this was not a combo. I had to get this, you know, separate. But this is great because once you get this, you can buy all the sentiment ones and you'll have it. Then, I thought this was fun. I got this layering stencil. I have lots of their stencils. I don't use them quite as much anymore, but I'll have to go through and take a look at what I do have left. And I have tons of their dies. So here's the layering stencil. There's 2 stencils to it. So it looks like you would stencil one down, and then it has these little notches, just like on the stamp it had. So you'd line it up, you know, obviously this is going to be a little bit bigger than it's a 6x6, but if you're just making cards, this will cover that obviously perfectly. So then if you stencil over the top of that, or let's say you just mark it with a pencil, then you can line it up and it looks like these hearts will go right in between wherever the paws are. So you can do 2 separate colors, or you could do, like, let's say you want to do a color and a glimmer mist, or not glimmer mist. Well, yeah, you could do a glimmer mist or some sort of glitter paste or something like that. There you go. So I thought that was great. And because I spent a certain amount, they had some freebies. So as I ruined the little stencil holder. All right, so they did have this one, which is a clear stamp. So like I said, they're actually primarily known for their red rubber, but on occasion they do have some clear stamps, and I thought this was really cute. But this came free with it. This one's called Cattitude. And so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 little cats. We've got Doe, Love and Life, Hello Today, You've Cat to Be Kitten Me Right Meow, Cattitude is Everything, Just Dance, and Happy Birthday. So I think that's fabulous. That's great. So anyway, love that. This was another little freebie. So it's not cat related, but it's handmade humor, and this has 12 stamps. And so that's great. So handmade, contains 100% love. Yes, I really did make this. If you throw this away, I will know. From the only slightly messy craft room of, yeah, this handmade card brought to you by coffee, lots of coffee. Why buy it for $7 when you can make it yourself with only $96 worth of supplies? Makes sense to me. World's best use of paper, agreed. I only make cards for really awesome people. Don't disappoint me. Handmade because nobody displays an email on the mantle or saves a Facebook post in a box of treasures. Boom. Nailed it. Nothing says I love you like a piece of paper folded in half. Behind this card is one epic craft stash. That's true. This card is priceless, just like you. So, love that. And then the last little freebie, which is super fun, are all these little cat stickers to put on your envelopes when you send them out. Or you can, I suppose you could make cards with them if you wanted to. But look at that. You could close up your little envelope with one of those. Isn't that fun? So those were freebies. Yay. All right, so there you go. I'm gonna have everything that I got that's available linked down below. So I don't know if any of these freebies are actually available separately or anything like that. So I'll have everything that I got linked down below that is available. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And then, you know, let me know down in the description box what you think. I know some of y'all are dog people, but I know lots of y'all are cat people. So I would love to know what you think. And as always, I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.